What is the mortgage process? There are 6 simple steps to a successful mortgage application. Step 1. Pre-application. Before applying, make sure you're in a good financial position. Check your credit reports and make sure that there's no information which could deter a lender. If any information in your credit report is incorrect, make sure to fix any errors. Step 2. Decision in principle. Once we find the right mortgage for you, we complete a decision in principle from the lender. This isn't a full application, but a preliminary check where the lender reviews your information. If everything is accurate, they'll likely approve your full application after further checks, including evaluation. Step 3. Assessment and affordability checks. After we submitted your mortgage application, the lender will underwrite your application further, and you will need to provide documents to help support this. This will include evidence of your income through payslips and bank statements. The lender will then assess your application and perform what is known as a stress test. This is to ensure you can manage the mortgage. Step 4. Valuation. The lender will arrange for a surveyor to carry out a valuation of the property you want to buy to assess its value and suitability as security for the mortgage. Lenders look at the size and condition compared to similar properties that were sold recently in the local area. You pay for the valuation when we submit the full application to the lender. Step 5. The offer. Once you've passed the initial checks, your lender will send you a legally binding mortgage offer. You can cancel your mortgage application at any point up until you exchange contracts, at which time you are legally bound. Step 6. Completion. Once you've accepted the mortgage offer from your lender, your solicitor will get into contact with you to arrange the 2 major steps left: signing your contracts and transferring your deposit money. And that's the mortgage process. Ready to get started? Contact us at John Charcoal today.